Hello everyone. Today we'll quickly learn about the properties and styling of the radio button widget. You can access the link to the documentation for this widget in the description below. Let's start with dropping the radio button from the widget's inventory. It allows the user to choose only one of a predefined set of exclusive options. If we have less than 5 options to display, then the radio buttons are usually preferred, else we can use the drop-down widget. Now let's quickly dive into its properties by inspecting the widget. Label. It is a string value used as the radio button's label. It should represent the information we want to gather from the user. Let's provide a random text. Now we can see the default label is updated with the new value. Default value. We can select the default option from the set of predefined values. This is used to set a specific value on the page load. For now, let's not update the value. Option values. These are the list of values for different options that are available to select a choice. We can either set this field with the sample values or use the query data with dynamic variables to populate the array of options. You can refer to the documentation to learn more about this. For now, let's enter the following. Option label. It is an array of labels for each of the option values defined above. It is used to display options with specific names. Let's enter the following value. You can also view the selected value of the widget from the inspector panel on the left. It'll be available under Components, Component Name. We can see the value getting updated here when we toggle at different options. Events. It allows us to add an onSelect event handler which is triggered when we select an option. Let's quickly create an event handler. Click on Add Event Handler button and enter the message you want to display. Now, on selecting any value, the event will prompt the message. You can explore different actions associated with the event handler as per your requirements. Tooltip. Under the General accordion, you can set the value of a tooltip. Let's try it out by entering the following value. Now when we hover on the widget, we find the tooltip with the assigned value. Layout. Toggle on or off to display the widget in desktop and mobile view. You can programmatically determine the value by clicking on FX to set a Boolean value. Now let's explore the styling of the radio button widget. Click on the Styles tab to access the following options. Text color. We can change the color of the label and the option texts. Let's select any color to see how that looks. Active color. Similarly, we can also change the background color of the radio button when it is selected. You can apply suitable color codes as per your app's UI. Visibility. Toggle on or off to control the visibility of the widget. Disable. Toggle to lock the widget. If toggled on, we won't be able to select any value. You can programmatically change both options by clicking on the FX button. Box shadow. This property is recently introduced under every widget style. Let us expand the panel and set the value for the box shadow to be applied. This is what our final radio button widget looks like. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates.